CLYR.ai secures NIEHS grant to advance environmental health literacy in schools. CLYR.ai has received Phase 2 SBIR funding from the National Institute of Environmental Health Sciences to develop a game-based platform that teaches students about indoor air quality and environmental exposures. The project, called S3E, Simulation for Environmental Exposure Education, will integrate real-time pollutant exposure simulations to help middle school students understand how daily activities affect health and how to reduce risks. We are thrilled to partner with Diffusion and CEO Tamara Kuhn on this vital project and are grateful for the support from NIEHS, said Dr. Neil Kleppheis, co-founder and CEO of CLYR, in a September 2025 press release. S3E directly aligns with our core mission of translating complex environmental science into actionable knowledge, linking health and education. Indoor air quality is increasingly recognized as a major factor in children's cognitive and physical health. The EPA estimates that Americans spend about 90% of their time indoors, where levels of pollutants can be 2 to 5 times higher than outdoor levels. Studies have tied poor indoor air to asthma, reduced learning outcomes, and long-term respiratory illnesses. By building literacy at a young age, the S3E platform addresses both public health and education gaps. Technology behind the platform, CLYR.ai, will develop the simulation engine that powers S3E, drawing on its expertise in quantitative modeling and health risk assessment. The platform will allow students to experiment with scenarios such as opening windows, using gas stoves, or adjusting ventilation to see how those choices alter pollutant exposure. The project builds on CLYR's broader work creating AI-driven tools for households and businesses. The company is developing real-time guidance systems that help users minimize health risks from environmental hazards like fine particulate matter, volatile organic compounds, and radon. AI and public health education. The use of interactive simulations in classrooms is growing. According to the U.S. Department of Education, game-based learning platforms can increase student engagement by up to 20% compared to traditional methods. CLYR's approach also reflects a trend toward integrating health literacy into STEM curricula. As environmental health risks such as wildfire smoke and chemical exposure become more visible, experts argue that early education is key to building resilience. The NIEHS funding highlights federal support for technology-driven solutions to public health challenges. With rising concerns over children's exposure to pollutants, initiatives like S3E could become models for how schools use data and simulations to foster healthier communities. You've been listening to Sustainability Soundbites presented by E+E Leader. For partnership opportunities, reach out to a member of our team.